The Gothic bell tower that rises on the left side of the church and that dates back to the second half of the 14th century was made on the site of the primitive one, which was quite lower. It is divided into 5 levels, of which the third presents mullioned windows with 2 lights on the northern and western sides, and 2 clocks on the eastern and southern sides, while on the 4th and the 5th levels, a mullioned windows with 2 lights opens on every side. The bell tower culminates in 4 angular pinnacles on which an octagonal spire is based. The 3 portals of the facade lead up to a porch built about in the middle of the 14th century. It is covered with crossing vaults. The median one is painted with 16th century frescoes. The most easily legible scenes represents the ship that transports St. Anthony's Abbot's body from Constantinople to the French coasts, which was to be buried in the church of the small town of La Motte-Saint-Didier in Delphine, now Bourges Saint-Antoine. The vaults are supported by pillars with capital and by ledges, all carved from green stone, which created a chromatic contrast with the red of the structures made of terracotta tiles. Both the capitals and the ledges, sculptured by an anonymous Piedmontese artist about 1280, are decorated with human heads, animals and monsters according to a widespread custom in the Middle Ages. Visitors can enter the church through one portal. In the lunette a fresco, which dates back to the end of the 15th century, portrays a Madonna with child between St. John the Evangelist and another saint. The square plan bell tower was built with 5 levels. The first 2 levels show very simple loopholes, but the whole structure becomes lighter at the 3rd level, where 2 mullioned windows appear, and the same sort of window can be seen at each of the 4 sides in the 2 higher levels. Between the 4th and the 5th level, the bell tower was decorated by trilobated hanging arches. In the area of the arcade, a capital shows the image of a dog biting a piece of bread, as in the polyptych painted by Defendante Ferrari. Another capital was originally decorated with animals' heads and palmette, but appears unfortunately deteriorated.